How to Use Claude AI for Research 2026 Full Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI for research so you can get accurate, structured, and useful results every time. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Now sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure your internet connection is stable so your session doesn't interrupt. Step 1. Start a new chat. Once you're inside, click on New Chat. Starting fresh helps keep your research focused and avoids confusion from previous conversations. Step 2. Clearly define your topic. Now comes the most important part, your prompt. Type your research topic clearly. Be specific about what you want to learn, how you want the answer, and the level of detail. For example, don't just say, "Tell me about crypto." Instead, say, "Give me an in-depth overview of cryptocurrency trends in the last 3 years with statistics and sources." Step 3. Specify output format. Tell Claude exactly how to structure the answer. You can ask for summary, pros and cons, key statistics, and sources. For example, include a short summary, pros and cons, recent data with credible sources. Step 4. Set depth and audience. You can also control how detailed the response is. For example, explain like I'm a beginner, or provide an expert-level analysis. You can even narrow it by time, last 3 years, or region like USA, global, etc. Step 5. Send and review response. Now send your prompt. Wait a few seconds for the response. Once it appears, check clarity, look for structure, and verify sources if included. Pro tip: if the answer isn't perfect, refine your prompt. Ask follow-up questions like "add more statistics," or "simplify this explanation," or "give sources only." Example prompt you can use. Provide an in-depth overview of your topic, include a summary, pros and cons, recent statistics with sources, and key insights. Write in a clear and structured format. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude AI for powerful research and get high-quality results every time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you want, I can also